Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your computer from Windows 8, 8.1, to Windows 10. The computer configuration to use Windows 10 is: processor, 1 GHz, or faster, or system on a microchip, SoC. RAM, 1 GB, for 32-bit or 2 GB for 64-bit. Hard drive capacity, 16 GB for 32-bit operating systems or 32 GB for 64-bit. Graphics card, DirectX 9 or higher with the WDDM 1.0 driver. Display size, 800x600. I'm going to upgrade my computer from Windows 8.1 to Windows 10. First, you download the Windows 10 file using the download link you left in the description. The 32-bit version will load 32, and the 64-bit version will load 64 bits. After downloading, you open the Win10 ISO file, then double-click on the setup. The window appears. You select Yes. The window Install Windows 10 appears. You click on Change how Windows Setup Download Updates. Here are two items you select Not right now to speed up the installation process. After the installation will update later. Then select Next, select Accept. Wait for the installation checker. The Ready to Install book will appear. Here, you want to edit the setup you selected, change what to keep. If you select the first option, then when you upgrade, you will not lose data or the installed software. The second option will only retain the data, the installation software will be deleted, and the third option will delete all the files and data. In order not to lose data, as well as the installed software, we will select item 1. Then select Next. The Ready to Install dialog opens again, and you choose Install to install. If you wait for the installation machine and update for a long time, you will turn quickly, the configuration option window will revive the device, and you will choose Accept to enter Windows 10. So I successfully lifted my machine from Win 8.1 to Win 10 Pro. After upgrading, you should go to Windows Update to update drivers as well as new Windows updates. From the Windows icon, select Settings, then select Update and Security, then select Check for Update. To update, in the waiting time you can delete unnecessary icons on the taskbar bar and turn off the weather forecast to avoid the state of misplaced taskbar. You right-click the taskbar and select New and Interests, select the closet off, and keep the update for a long time so we will turn fast. The update will ask you to restart the machine if you want to restart or stop later. After upgrading on the C drive, there is a Windows.old file. If you install Windows 10, always delete that folder to troubleshoot memory. If you want to go back to Windows 8 or 8.1, you should not delete it. So I'm going to show you how to upgrade your computer from Windows 8.1 to Windows 10. If you see or like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos.